Well, this is it for me. Hey all, it's me Christian. I'm retired from YouTube forever permanently. This is a goodbye. Goodbye everyone, including Shuri, Imani, Rue, Chester, Jordy, Jay, and Splitter.
The following message has been transmitted from the request of Nola the goanimator world. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Nola the goanimator has officially retired from his channel, and it is going to shut down in 2 hours. If his channel shutting down, mega earthquake will occur, mega tsunami will form, humanity will be wiped, and his channel world will be destroyed. Gather all loved ones, in a matter of time before the shutdown. Stay tuned for more information on this final 2 hours.